All right, let's talk about something that's not just a trend, but a full-blown revolution happening in advertising. It's all about generative AI, and it's completely tearing up the old rulebook faster than anyone thought possible. Let's dive in.
I mean, just let that sink in for a second. Everything we know about advertising, the huge budgets, the location shoots, the weeks of planning, it's all being challenged by, well, a few words typed into a box. And this isn't some sci-fi future, folks. This is happening right now.
So to really get a grip on just how massive this shift is, let's put the old world right up against the new AI way. You're gonna see the differences, well, it's pretty much night and day. On one hand, you've got the traditional way, slow, super expensive, where everything is measured in production days. You know the drill. But on the other hand, the AI-powered way is instant. It's scalable, you can generate entire campaigns, visuals, copy, the whole shebang from a single idea. This isn't just a small step up. We're talking about a total reinvention of how creative work gets done. And here's the kicker. It's not just about doing things faster. The quality is actually going up. Get this, more than half of marketers who are already using generative AI are saying their content outputs have improved. So we're not just talking faster, we're talking better, more effective ads. And of course, let's talk about the money. The business case here is just undeniable. We're seeing major global brands slash their content production costs by 30 to 50%. So wait a minute, you get better results for up to half the cost? Yeah, that's the kind of math that changes an entire industry, for sure.
Okay, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. All this incredible speed and power, it's a bit of a double-edged sword. You can't just press a button and walk away. There's a whole new layer of responsibility here that we need to talk about. Think about it. An AI can spit out 1 million images, right? But can it guarantee every single one is perfect? Or that it matches your brand's unique voice and ethical standards? Nope. That's where we, the humans, have to step in. That human oversight isn't just nice to have, it is absolutely critical.
And this leads us to, really, the core idea for how to think about this new world. It's not us versus them, humans versus the machines. It's about collaboration. And there's a great term for this, the centaur creator. So let's just get rid of that whole AI is coming for our creative jobs narrative right now. That's not what this is about. The reality is so much cooler. It's not about replacing creativity, it's about amplifying it. It's like giving creatives superpowers, really. So what in the world is a content creation centaur? Well, you know the mythical creature, right? Half human, half horse? It's the perfect metaphor. The human is the brain, the creative vision, the strategy, the spark. And the AI, that's the powerful body, the engine that provides the sheer speed and scale to make it all happen. And in this partnership, the AI is a serious workhorse. We're talking about generating endless versions of visuals and copy, hyper-personalizing ads for tons of different audiences, and even managing the entire ad system, from the creative part all the way to bidding and targeting. It's an incredibly powerful tool. Okay, so we've talked about the big picture, the what and the why. Now let's get down to brass tacks. What does this actually mean for you? How do you adapt and actually thrive in this new age? Well, the first thing you have to wrap your head around is that the whole creative process is being flipped on its head. The old mantra of let's shoot is gone. The new workflow, it's more like let's prompt, then we generate, we iterate on it, and we launch. It's the super fast, agile cycle, much smarter and way more connected to the data. So you're probably wondering, okay, who actually wins here? And the great news is, this isn't a situation with only a few winners and a lot of losers. There are brand new opportunities opening up for pretty much everyone. Agencies, tiny brands, consultants, individual creatives, you name it. If you're an agency or a creative, your job is evolving. It's less about the hands-on, grinding production work and way more about being the strategic mastermind. You're the one orchestrating the AI, telling it what to do to create these huge, targeted campaigns. You're the brain, and the AI provides the brawn. And what about the little guys, the micro brands? This is a total game changer for them. Suddenly, AI is leveling the playing field. They can get their hands on high-quality ad assets that used to cost a fortune, the kind of stuff only the big players could afford. It lets them compete in a way they never, ever could before. And if you're a consultant, your value just skyrocketed. Your edge isn't just knowing which buttons to press on the AI tools. It's being the guide, the Sherpa. You'll be the one teaching clients how to write great prompts, how to set up those essential brand and ethical guardrails, and how to weave all this new tech into their existing workflows. All right, as we start to wrap this up, it's pretty clear we're standing at the dawn of a completely new age of storytelling. And that leaves us with one last really big question to think about. With all these incredible new tools at your fingertips, the possibilities are literally endless. So part one of the question is for you. What ad are you going to generate tomorrow? What amazing story are you going to tell? But here's the really important part. In a world where anyone can generate endless content, what's the part that you will still demand a human for? What's the piece that requires human taste, human judgment, that irreplaceable creative spark? How we all answer that question, well, that's what's going to define the entire future of this industry. Something to think about. Thanks for tuning in.